Roadrunner. Hi, Roadrunner. Now, it's right there. Hi, Roadrunner. He's making noise at my cat. I think my cat's over there. I'll find my cat. Ooh, let's see if he's gonna do something to my cat. Roadrunners, are they mean to cats? Hey. Hey, Roadrunner. Hey, buddy. Hi, come here. Come here, Roadrunner. Hi, little boy. Hi, Roadrunner. Hi. How you doing? How you doing, sweetie? I think he's looking at my cat, Yin. He's making that noise at my cat. Hey! Hey, I wish I could see him and Yin, my cat. Oh, let me see if I can get a picture of him and my cat. Where is my cat? Where's my... Okay, you see, he got up there. He got up there. Hi! I'm not gonna bother you. I'm not gonna bother you, Roadrunner. You hear that noise he makes? He's on the fence. See? He's pretty good size. Hi, Roadrunner. How's my friend doing this morning? Y'all hear the noise he makes? Hi, baby. How you doing this morning? Finding any worms? Huh? Are you finding you any worms? Where's my cat? Oh, here's something else. I'm not trying to catch you. Don't run off. No, don't run off. I'm not trying to catch you. Ah, where'd he go? Oh, he's in the yard. I'm trying to get out of the sun. It's shining on my face and I can't take it. He's in my garden now. Yeah, Yin. Did you see that Roadrunner? Did you see that Roadrunner? I got this brought up. I couldn't... There he is. Uh-oh. He's in my garden. I think he's just looking for worms, though. Maybe snakes. He's out there in the garden. Just gonna leave him alone. I don't think he hurts the garden. He just comes over there and looks for stuff, worms, and... Let's see, where'd he go? Where is he? He's on the other side of that tomato plant right there. Well, we're not going to bother him. You're a cat. I don't think birds and cats, you know. Roadrunner, where's you at? Oh. They also eat other birds. Okay. Let's see. Yin just climbed the tree. Yin, I hope you can get down, babe. Can you get down by yourself? Huh? Remember last time I had to go get a pillow because you was afraid to come down? Yeah, he was so afraid. And he come down and jumped on the pillow. Come on. Are you bird watching? Are you bird watching, Ian? He's bird watching. Can y'all see him? Y'all see Ian in the tree? That Roadrunner went on the other side of the fence over there. My property. He's probably in the front yard right now. The Ian, I don't see if you can make it down. think you can. Ooh. Yeah. Decided not to take this out because they like climb this tree. It's low. So it can just be their tree. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Aw, you kitty. He's so sweet. Oh, let's see. We see what the bees are doing. They're out. Sun out. So gray and rained yesterday. So wet out. The bees are swarming pretty good. I'm not getting near you, bees. Oh, my goodness, I've never seen him climb this tree. My goodness, you're brave this morning, climbing all these trees. Are you going to be able to get out of this tree? Huh? You see my cat? Yin! Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. You bird watching? He's bird watching. A lot of noise out here this morning, huh? You bird watching? Yeah. He's bird watching. Big old round eyes. You're so pretty, Morris. You're so pretty. You pretty boy. Yes, you are. I love you. You gonna come down? If I walk away, will you come down? Let's see what we got over here. Yellow squash. I don't know if it's yellow squash, but some kind of, I think it's squash. We got so much rain, we're not even watering. And these are getting too wet. Maybe you should start picking these peas. They may not get big. Well, you just let these go. I mean, you don't want to leave them till they turn brown. Pick them when they're green. What's the use in, I keep telling them, what's the use in growing them if you're just going to grow them and look at them? Pick them and eat them. Put them in your salad. Oh, gosh. Okra. I'm allergic to this. When it gets really, really big, yeah, I can't touch this stuff. Makes me itch. It sticks you. These are peppers. Cucumbers. You got 2 big ones off there yesterday. Yin made it down from the big tree. He's in a little tree now. Ain't you, Yin? And let's see over here. Oh my goodness, these are ready to pick. I'm gonna tell him. Just got some peppers. He likes them in his salad. All this is asparagus, y'all. You know, that's kind of what it looks like, and you let it go to seed. Like, and you don't pick all your asparagus because I don't even know if he's growing this correctly, but I don't know. It always looks like this fern. But he got a lot of asparagus out of there this year. He's done, I guess, with it. I think it kind of looks neat anyway. Old fuzzy stuff. Yin likes it. Look at Yin in there. Yin, hi. Yin likes it. Yin, I'm going to go home. Come on. Want to go home? Huh? The shoe I got on, something, I don't know, was rubbing my toe. Yin, come on. Strawberries are done, but they stay green all year round. Remember, if they're brown, they're dead. So you have to water strawberries year round when it gets dry in the summer.